Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to our vlog. Today we will do the percentage from the whole number. Let's do the percentage. Percentage of the whole number. This is mathematic, guys. Mathematic means mathematic technique. So start, guys. Number 1, 50% of 30. Nakita nyo, guys? Number 2, 30% of 605. Number 3, 5% of 206. Number 4, 20% of 60. So, ito, guys. Kung natin ang sagot ito, guys, para baliktad. 50% of 30, 50% of 30, 30% of 605, 5% of 206, and 20% of 60. Ganito yun, guys, oh. 3 times 3 equals 15. So, yun ang tamang sagot, guys. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 5 equals 15. So, yun ang sagot, guys. Yun ang sagot yan, guys, oh. Ito naman. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 6 equals 30. Yun ang tamang sagot, guys. Ito naman. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 2 times 0 equals 0. So, the answer is 12. Yan, guys. Yan ang tamang sagot, guys. So, kita nyo. Parang baliktad kasi pagkakaano. Baliktad yata. Yan. Madali lang ito, guys, pag nakuha nyo yung technique nito. Kaya sasabi ko matinik ito sa guys. Kasi ito yung short process ng pagkuha ng mga sagot, guys. So, thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoy and you learn something, guys, from mathematics, guys. And next time, we will do again the square root, the multiplication, and sometimes the subtraction and addition. And the solving problem, guys, mag-aano tayo, guys, magle-lesson tayo. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.